Avento company offered to assemble, but it was too easy for me to assemble. Amazing and reliable product. Very easy to assemble and I love this product. Nothing much. Good product. Loving ITT. End fitness session was amazing. The look is really good and motor noise is almost zero, kind of must-have product during this pandemic. It would be better if the width of the belt can be in 2 or 2 more, but here at this price for a treadmill you really can't ask more. I bought this in my native, Kerala. The delivery was smooth and technician come second day of delivery and installed and explained everything about the machine. Build quality seems good and nice. Lots of features for this price, hence I would say it is a value for money product. There is a free fitness training program comes with it. As part of program they allotted a gym instructor for me and given a finesse training which lasts 1 hour and the experience was great. There is his diet plan also to follow and all are available in FitPlus app comes with it. I like machine for easy to move from one place to other place and very good product. Right product for the current situation. Good customer service. Delivered before time. Thanks Sana. Click link in description for more reviews.